Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates the correct installation of a Driftwood log set into a Napoleon Elevation X gas fireplace.
The first step is to remove the 5 extra studs from the rear log support and discard, ensuring stud A1 remains in place. The studs can easily be removed using a drill with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Identify log number 1. You can find the numbers printed on each of the log set pieces. Glowing embers can be placed within the creases of the log to enhance the glowing effect. On the underside of log number 1, there will be a hole. Place log number 1 on stud A1, located on the rear log support, ensuring no burner portholes are covered. Identify log number 2. Place log number 2 between the burners on the left side. Ensure the notch fits around the pilot shield and the left end foot rests on the rear burner. Do not cover any burner ports. Place glowing embers on the front burner. The glowing embers can be teased out across the burner, ensuring they do not cover the cluster of large ports at either end of the burner. Identify log number 3. Place log number 3 between the burners on the right side. Rest the right end of the log on the flattened ember bed media, ensuring the notch leans against the front burner. Identify log number 4. Place the 2 notches in log number 4 on the 3rd and 4th grate posts. Identify log number 5. Place the notch of log number 5 onto the 1st grate post, ensuring the opposite end of log number 5 rests on the ember bed and that it leans back against the grate. Identify log number 6, as well as the hole on log number 1 and the 2nd grate post. Place the log locator stub into the hole on the far left side of log number 1. Ensure the notch on the opposite end of log number 6 rests on the 2nd grate post. Identify log number 7. Place the locator stub on log number 7 into the hole in the middle of log number 1. Ensure the notch on the bottom of log number 7 rests on top of log number 4. Identify log number 8. Place the locator stub into the hole on the far right side of log number 1. Ensure the notch on the bottom of log number 8 rests against the 5th grate post. Identify log number 9. Place the locator stub into the remaining right side hole on log number 1. Ensure the opposite side of log number 9 rests across log number 3. Identify log number 10. Place the locator stub on log number 10 into the hole on log number 1. Rest the opposite end of log number 10 into the notch on log number 7. Now that you have placed all 10 logs within the firebox, begin a visual inspection of the log placement. Look for any logs that may have moved out of alignment, which may cause flame impingement. When burning, a good indicator that logs are installed correctly is that each flame stands reasonably straight. If a log drastically changes the direction of a flame, review the instructions again, pivoting logs out of direct contact once cooled.
Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.